Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre.
and we're going to some Magic
Final
Cards,
cards.
Magic the Gathering Cards, Final Fantasy.
First time.
First time namin mag-open ng, let's see, one lang muna ngayon. Let's see kung anong
Abot
mangyari.
dalawa.
One lang muna
So,
ngayon.
battle
Tingnan lang
tayo.
natin anong mangyari.
Could I be the one to open it?
Makuha natin yung chase natin na love triangle, pero one ano lang yan. And we're going to open some Japanese packs, or we'll keep it safe. Sabi nga nila, bubuksan or itatago pang habang buhay. Let's see kung bubuksan pa natin to o hindi. But ito, we'll see one pack only. One pack. Kasi medyo pricey
Could I
siya.
be the one to open it?
Magmili ka ng isa lang. You'll be the one who
Final
choose one.
guess.
Okay.
Just a normal guess. I think I picked.
Okay. Nagtuan natin.
Could I be the one to open it? If I pick it.
Anong tagal na ako hindi naka-open ng Magic Cards na booster.
His deck is only Goblin deck.
Oh. Oh. May Beast deck pa ako, may Sliver deck,
And Dragon
may
deck.
Dragon deck, may marami yan din. Pero
Eh, ba't matagal na?
high school pa rin, naglalaro na ako ng Magic Cards.
Eh, ba't na Pokemon next?
Ah. Tingnan mo, hindi na ako marunong bukas ito kasi iba binubuksan ko eh.
Seashores.
Oh, dapat scissors nga. Sige. Get the scissors na lang para sayang naman to kasi medyo mahal-mahal. Yeah, we bought it in Neutral Grounds sa may Cubao.
I want to be the one
Wait lang,
to
wait lang.
open it. I want to be the one to pull it out.
Oh, ito ang laman niya.
Huh? It's not straight.
Art series. Okay. 6 out of 53. Okay. Oh, ito ang nasa likod. Ako lang maghawa. Ikaw lang magsabi ng pangalan.
I don't know.
Ayan.
Back to Imperial Capital.
Oh.
Swallow by Leviathan. Hey, it's rainbow. Is it
Hello.
nice? We got something good.
I don't know. Hindi ko pa alam.
Ooh, it's a full art.
It's a legend. Pwede itong gawing commander. Ano sabi mo?
Arden the Usurper. It's a full art, right?
Yeah.
So it gotta be worth something.
I think ito na yung... Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko malala paano ito eh. Summon Primal Garuda.
I think a full art is worth something. Ryan Return. Self-destruct. Tomberry.
Thornberry.
Lunutag Padora.
Lunatic. Pandora.
Magic Damper.
Magic Damper. Si Aris ba to?
It's not a rare. Paladin's Arms.
Paladin's Arm.
Iceland.
Iceland. And Chocobo Kick.
Meron pa din more.
Sabotender.
Cactus.
And si Resentful Revelation. Yan. The Antagonist. So, ito yung pinaka-rare natin. Ang tawag ni Mythic yata to. Rare lang, rare. Okay. So,
Why is it not this one?
wala tayong nakuhang yan yung foil. Isang foil, isang hindi natin nakuha yung tatlo. So, syempre, importante yung tatlo. So, buksan pa natin yung isa.
I want to be the one to hold it next.
Hindi pwede kasi baka maano mo.
I will not break it. I promise. I promise I won't break
Wait
it.
lang, tingnan natin kung ano nakuha natin. So, ano pangatlo ba yun? Wait lang. 4 out of 45 out of 53 is ito naman.
Could I be the one to hold it? I promise I won't break it.
Teka lang, may card trick eh. Pag ilan to?
Huwag na card clip.
Kaya nga eh. So,
Gagawa
ako
yan.
na lang mag...
Yee.
Oh. Careful ka lang ha. Careful lang. O, basahin mo.
It's a full art. Planes.
Second pack
Uy,
pala
foil,
namin.
foil. Gold mo.
Oh, wait. Foil yan, foil? Wait.
I'm still not
Wait
done.
lang. So, sabihin nun, ito yung... Huh? Sige, ngayon natin. Ha? Nabaliktad. What? Okay, never mind. Sige, ikaw na magano dyan.
Hey, it's a princess. Ashes, princess of the Melissa. Random encounter. Optista trap.
Alam mo, ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapagbukas ng Magic Cards.
Ariam, scary monster.
Pero, Tifa si Cloud.
Picture of the Esper.
Yun lang naman ang habol ko dyan.
Eret, rescue mission. There's a rescue mission there? Hey, it's your favorite
Oh, yun yung
cat.
sa Final Fantasy 7 yata yan eh.
Well,
Hindi ko na maalala.
another magic deep hunter. Surplex. Benyon stretcher key.
Wala. Asa yung natin? Wala.
Gigantic toad.
Wala naman yan.
Dion Bamupepo.
Wala tayong red.
Otto, Warden of Light. Oh, side quest, card collection.
Okay. Ito yung rare natin. Dion Bahamut Dominant. Ba yan?
Ito na yung tayo open.
Pangit naman nakuha
Japanese Pokemon.
Pangit naman nakuha natin.
How about we open this Japanese Pokemon?
Lagyan natin to. Sayang eh.
Pangit?
Wala akong nakuha ng chase. Buksan natin last!
Yung sabi ka na kung ni-open mo.
Kaya si Tifa lang.
I want to be the one.
Ako na.
Okay.
Ako na. Oh, wala ah. Hero token.
Nice, hero. We got the hero. Wait, there's something behind it.
This is Legend Land.
Daddy, look, there's something behind it.
Oo nga.
Robot.
Token kasi yan. Sige na, huwag mo na. Charlayan Nation of Scholars. So, common. Vayne's Treasury.
There's the
I think-
hollowed.
Kailangan natin, ito yun. Lagyan natin sa liko. Ay, yawa.
Wag na.
Legendary. Venart Heart of, wala tayo. Hindi natin nakuha si Tifa or si Cloud.
Uy, full art. Full
Meron
art.
pa. Ambrosio White Heart.
Legendary creature. Legendary means good,
Wala.
right?
Demon Wall. Cactuar. The Primal Vista. Wala. Hindi nakuha. Ariman. Laughing Mad. Hindi natin nakuha yung tatlo. Quicker Merchant. Magitech Infantry. Gigantoad.
Gigantic toad.
Summon GF Ifrit. Present for Revelation again. Well, ganun talaga. Hindi natin nakuha yung chase natin na si Tifa and si Cloud.
There might be
O
some...
yung Love Triangle.
Daddy, there
we
might
just
be something new. There might be something very expensive there, but we just don't know it.
I don't know pa. Pero this is, we open Magic Cards. The Final Fantasy Play Booster. So, thank you for watching. Recap lang. Konting recap lang. Lagyan natin yung mga
Should
natin.
we open this?
Sana we just keep it sealed na lang itong
Do
ano.
you want to open this?
Okay.
Okay, man.
So, ito ang ating mga, I think legendary kasi to.
Do you want to open this package?
So, ito yung mga foil natin. These are foils. Si Vayne's Treachery. And si World Map. And si Swallowed by Leviathan.
Let's open it.
Ano. Then our rare is ito, si R&D Osprey. Ito yung isa sa ating mga full art. Tapos si Ambrosia Whiteheart. And pero uncommon lang siya eh. Oh. Kasi ito isa sa mga rare natin na may gold ano. Si Dion Bahamut's Dominant. Then the rest, teka, nasa yun? Walang galto, no? Walang galto? Psst. Walang galto, no? Yung isa. Dalawa lang tayo may galto, yung iba wala.
Maybe it's because it's rare.
Kung 14 pack siya, wait lang.
Can I just
Wait,
please, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. May sumubrang card na isa. Kasi walang ganyan, kaya sobra ng isa. Okay, got it. Tagal ko nang di nag-o-open ng magic cards eh. Ito na lang ulit. Last na bukas ko ng pack is mura pa siya. 150 pa lang ang packs nun. Nag-buy one, take one pa yun ha. Anyway, I'm Michael.
And
And
red.
we just opened some Magic
Magic
Cards
the
The Gathering Final Fantasy.
Let's also
Play
open this.
Booster. So, ito yung box. Tatlo na lang kasi natira. So, yung ano namin, wala. Kaya,
Let's open Pokemon
yung
Japanese.
tendera ng neutral ground sa SM, sa Ali Mall. Ano naman, sana naman, konting ano naman. Medyo ayusin mo.
Should
ano.
we open it?
Pero anyway, bye-bye. I'm Michael.
And
Bye-bye.